Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is we're going to make 4 weekly sales sheets. Now to do this, we are going to first of all rename this sheet. So we're going to call this week 1. Press enter. So all I did there was I right clicked on the bottom tab, gone to rename, and then that renames this. Now what we need to do is duplicate this. So I'm going to right click and we go to move or copy. And then I'm going to click on this option here, create a copy, click OK. Now I need to create this, repeat this process rather a few more times. So that we now have 4 weeks. And all I need to do now is rename these week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Now it doesn't really matter which order we do this in because all of the dates, all of the weeks and all the spreadsheets are the same. So let me just rename these really quickly. And there we have it. Now what we now need to do is go through each of these week 2, week 3, week 4, and we need to change this data. So how do we do it? Well, quite simply, if I start with week 2, we change and we modify the data here. So we change it so that the profits are going to be slightly different for some of the items, and you can even increase some items as well. Just make sure you don't go above the stock remaining. So obviously if I change this one from 32 and I went up to say 36, you can see now I've got 0 left. I can't change any more of these on this week here. So what you need to do is go through each one of your spreadsheets and change some of the values. How many you change is totally up to you. You can even change the amount that you've got in stock at the start of the week. So if you wanted to remove some of the stock as an example, you are more than welcome to, and you can also change then some of the values here. It is totally your choice, but you will need to change quite a few items across the remaining weeks. So that's your next task to complete.